bafethu kunjani? Those abantu on your screen here we come again with another episode of Football Fusion. Bafethu, nani niyazi, angihambi ngedwa, ngihamba no
Shapa phethu kunjani camera meeting mfocus well mswati lo mnanzi Football Fusion sibuyile with another one.
yazi I'm laughing because on our previous videos we clearly to Shamba cause
It depends. Depends.
hayi manje hayi kunzima bafethu.
Malanga wafana. Malanga wafana.
Ngitsheleni phela ukuthi injabulo itholakala kanjani makunje.
Hayi
Izoyifikela yona.
silindile thina. Njengoba silinde
Yeah,
Jesu.
Nkosi yami. Yeah, bafethu, on today's episode we are talking about Mamelodi Sundowns. Hey, this league is very interesting. Hayi kabi. This is one of the leagues la khona. I would say two teams. Yeah, man. I wouldn't lie because the other ones are Uba furthest behind. So it's been a long time in South Africa since the league contested. I think it was 2020 when we almost took it.
Yeah.
Otherwise, Sundowns has been dominant when it comes to a league. When it comes to a league, they are playing against Golden Arrows. We all know Golden Arrows. Abafana Stand.
What about two man in the pool?
Bayathumana put, yes. Another thing interesting about this game, I think we will look into it. Let me just don't spoil it.
Yeah, baba.
Asiqale Mamelodi Sundowns, the pressure they are putting on Pirates, the way it's interesting to see this week this team on top of the log, the next week kanjalo kanjalo.
I don't understand. I don't understand why Sundowns is putting pressure to Pirates. Because for me, I feel like Pirates is putting pressure to Sundowns. The reason why I'm saying that is because, like you said it, we use at this time Sundowns usually will be leading with 13 points.
We are not. The reason why they are putting pressure on us, it's because remember a week ago, or I would say, I think a week ago, 2 days ago, we played against them. They beat us. We were number one coming into that game.
Yeah.
We were disowned to number one way. Yeah. And then
okay, I hear you. I hear your reason.
Exactly. Yeah. And then this weekend, we went back on top. So I would say it's Sundowns putting pressure on us because Banu see level all of a sudden. Yeah.
Okay. I mean, they won it 8 times in a row, so the pressure can be. But yeah, I hear you. Yeah, I hear you. I don't know. You misunderstood me.
I know. I didn't misunderstand you. I understood you well. I provided some reasoning because we've been on top. We finished 2025 on top. Right? So that's why I'm saying they are putting pressure on us. We cannot judge this tournament based on the previous history to say that now we are matching, so it's us putting them. No, can't say that.
Okay, yeah, I hear you. So let's. I think asking about Sundowns putting pressure. Sundowns is used winning this thing, right?
Yeah.
So I feel like with the experience that they have, they taking one game at a time. They are giving it all. And previous game, the starting lineup sabo can even tell you with these people they mean business now. Somebody said, I saw a tweet, why Sundowns is putting a calf starting 11 now. I think it was a Pirates fan.
Yeah, they're only left with 2 cups to play for now.
Yeah.
And they haven't won any cup as yet.
Yeah.
So Loco Valley, it gives you enough time to rest. That's one. 2, hey, you won this league. You may say you have won it 8 times.
Yeah.
As if it doesn't matter to win it the 9th time, But now you feel it with
you are competing.
Yes.
You are competing.
Yeah. So the reasoning, I would say that's the reasoning. And a lot of teams, they seem to have studied the Sundowns. If you can check, they score late goals. They no longer dominate. Maybe they dominate position wise, but they no longer dominate in terms of score. you'll watch Sundowns, they are winning 3-0 first half, and you are already so for me, also win because you're no longer gonna compete against them, you know?
Correct.
Yeah.
Correct.
So they are playing against a team that has beaten them in this competition.
Yeah.
One of the few, in fact.
Golden Arrows.
Yeah.
But we might think we know ukuthi vele uManqoba has been with Sundown for iminyaka eminingi. Maybe he understands the culture, and not taking anything away from him as a coach. He's a very
Yes.
good coach, you know. And we can see what he's doing with Golden Arrows. These boys, you can see they play with passion. They want to win. We've always seen it.
Exactly.
So going to play Mamelodi Sundowns again for Golden Arrows, it's a motivation on its own. It's personal, maybe to Manqoba to prove that I'm still a good coach, regardless of who I'm coaching.
Yes.
Without a budget or with a budget, I can still deliver results.
I can still do it.
Yes. So for the fact that they've done it with first leg, now the second round of the league, obviously these boys are coming to this one motivated. But with Sundowns as well, being defending champions, the experience they have, and they know how. They know what I've seen them badlala neSekhukhune when they introduce Lodge. Oh, are you Lodge, man? Oh, Saleng.
Yes.
The game changed. You can see who champions are playing and they want to score a goal. And for me, Saleng had a very good game, you know.
I like how you praise the Sundowns players. I was just highlighting that. You can continue.
Yeah. But I was watching the game.
Yeah,
I was watching the game. I could see, okay, now because remember they were leading and then they considered the goal, right? And then it was 1-1. But now you could see with the attitude is changing. They are saying, no, this game can't end in a draw. Because they know in the back of their mind, with Orlando Pirates won previous game, and they are sitting on number 1. For us to be able to compete, we need to win this game. So mentality of the players on the game changed. So now going to this game of Golden Arrows, they already know, but okay, go first round, so we need to win this game now. So it's gonna be a very interesting game to watch.
Yeah. That's true. I think that's good analysis.
And the football
yeah, it's a very interesting game. I wouldn't lie to you. Even though Manqoba might let it slip.
Because we has what Mamelodi said down, hey, they deserve to win this
league. It's the least you can do for them.
Like a payback. Hey, but see, we don't know. The football is being fed, honestly. We're expecting to see a very beautiful game.
But maybe I would like to emphasize maturity. I think they showed it against the Pirates.
Yeah.
When they played that game, it was more matureness than it's like playing against the legends, against young kids who are talented. That's how I viewed that game.
Yeah.
It's people who know how to win. They just slipped here and there, and people wrote them off. But in that game, they showed don't write us off.
Yeah.
And namanje siyabona during amanyama games that are playing, as you were mentioning, Sekhukhune. Yeah.
And it's speaking about the game now, I remember you even said they scored the 2 goals. And then when they came back second half, it's because they didn't want to score. They wanted to manage the game.
Yes.
They was like, we won. Now let's manage the game. So that's experience to them.
Yes, you could tell Uguti bias nullify. Like we were nullified in that game, to be honest with you.
Yeah. So for them going to this one, it's gonna be interesting. I don't even want to predict scores.
Yeah, but wait, let us know. Manqoba, will he upset his previous employers or he gives it away?
Hard bro.
I asked the right way. Tell us on the comments, guys.
I say it's over faith.
We'll see you on another one.